Given function y equal to x raised to the power of sin x. So we need to find dy by dx, that means derivative of this y. So let's see how to solve this. So y equal to x raised to the power of sin x. Sin x is in the exponent. We have an exponent like this. We need to take logarithm on both sides. So let's take logarithm on both sides. Ln y equal to ln x raised to the power of sin x. Now it is in the form of ln of a raised to the power of m. So our m is sin x here. So whatever it is in the power, it comes and stay in front. That is m times ln a. So in our power we have sin x. So sin x comes first. So sin x ln x. That is ln y. But our goal is to find dy by dx. Observe here it is in the form of u times v, isn't it? So there is a product rule. So let's recall derivative of product rule. What is the derivative of product rule? uv equal to, first we have to keep v as constant, then do derivative with x, plus then you keep u as constant, then do derivative with v with respect to x. This is the formula for this. So we know our u is sin x. If u is sin x, then du dx is, that means we are doing with respect to x. So the derivative of sin x is cos x. And we know that v is ln x. If v is ln x, then derivative of v is 1 over x. Let's substitute these values. So when you do derivative of this y, so that is log y is 1 over y. We are doing with respect to x. So that is equal to, it is the form of u times v. What is the formula? V times du over dx. V is ln x. Du over dx is cos x. So you have to write these two terms. Ln x times cos x. Plus we have u times dv over dx. So v is sin x and dv over dx is 1 over x. Sin x times 1 over x. Our goal is to find dy over dx, isn't it? So this y we need to send to right hand side. Dy over dx, that is equal to y times ln x times cos x plus sin x times 1 over x. In our given expression, what we given y equal to x raised to the power of sin x. Let's take that. So instead of y, you have to write x raised to the power of sin x. This is the derivative of this x raised to the power of sin x. That's it.